Hello everyone, my name is Cam, and welcome to another RAMShard Minecraft plugin tutorial. Before we get started, be sure to drop a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Hopping into this, be sure to install the plugin first. If you don't know how, look to the top right for the iCard on how to install plugins. This plugin allows you to create random teleporting in your Minecraft server. This plugin also supports the Vault and Essentials plugin. Once installed, restart your server and head to the config files. To get there, click on Control Panel, go to your server, click on the File drop-down tab, and click Config Files. To enable Vault, click on the RandomTP config file and set the value enabled under Vault to True. Once you restarted and started your server, you should get a message saying successfully hooked into Vault in the console. Next, head into your server. Once there, to randomly teleport, type the command \RTP. This will teleport you within a 1000 block border. Note, you can change the border size in the config. To teleport other players, type the command \RTP and their player name. If you need to reload the config in-game, type the command \RT plugin reload. If you need help with the commands, type the command \RT plugin help. You can also create a sign that when right-clicked, that player randomly teleports. To create it, in brackets type RandomTP and it should create a sign like this. Now, that is how you can easily use the RandomTP plugin on your Minecraft server. Thanks for watching.